Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing mommy duties early in the morning. I almost forgot it was trash day. Don't mind the noise. You already know I'm a single mom. Yes. So let me know in the comments how you like the video. I'm about to make some chicken lao mein for the first time, and y'all already know I make my own sofrito from Nova's Kitchen on Etsy. That's my personal shop. So if you want your green seasonings and your sofrito, I do it. Gets it done, honey. So enjoy the video, guys. Look at this heart. Wow. Oh, look at my ancestors showing out. Y'all see this heart? That is a heart. You can't even tell me. I just poured my olive oil and got this heart. Oh, that's beautiful. I love you too. All right, so like I said before, I put this what I did, okay? I did some sweet peas frozen, okay? Green Giant, that's his name. I did some boneless chicken. I cut it up. I seasoned it. Yeah, I did that. Look at it. Delicious. I used some noodles. Okay. Y'all guess where I got these noodles from? Because I basically was like snowed in and I didn't have no noodles, no angel hair pasta. But guess what I used? I'm not going to tell you. I want you to guess. What does it look like? What does basically, I won't say black person, but what does every child drink as a child? What kind of noodles? Y'all know I used it. And it tastes delicious, amazing. But don't mind the noise. That's my daughter. This is my sofrito, my homemade sofrito. And I also used some parsley flakes. I used some scallions and I mixed it up, and some Lowry seasoning, and it tastes so good, especially with the crushed garlic and onions. So good. But I had company and I had to use this DiGiorno. I don't eat pork, so this is what they requested, and this is what I provided. But I'm gonna show y'all what kind of pizza we get down with, okay? Right now in 3, 2, 1, Lego. I'm gonna do this. So see this cheese pizza? It is all 4 cheeses. Do y'all eat frozen pizza like the DiGiorno? Do y'all have that? Let me know. See, I don't feel like cooking, and it is the weekend, so mommy has a break. Okay, is that all right? See, you want to show them? Look, what's that? A quarter.
A dollar.
Good job. So we're gonna use this pan, and I'm gonna put some foil on it because I don't want it to stick, and the lovely lady gonna keep you entertained. All right, we're gonna put the foil like this. Get the pizza on like that. So I'm gonna take it out the plastic. All right, so let's see how it's doing. How cute! Oh my goodness, this is delicious, right? All right, so let me know, do y'all have pizza like this? Let me know in the comment section. All right, cut it. Look at how delicious this looks. Oh my goodness, so yummy. I love me a good 4 cheese pizza, and this was only $5. Okay, I don't care because it's the weekend and I'm not cooking. I be over that stove all week, honey, because my child does not eat outside food, fast food. But anyway, look at me at work. Okay. Hey, Duncan. Y'all already know I'm looking good working, mama. Get it going. Look how I'm cute. Okay, let me see what I'm reading. All that paperwork. Yeah, girl. Okay, you got your little, presentation. Working, mama. Yeah, see that? Getting it right, getting it tight. And look, it's TGIF for Friday. Get it, girl. Go, shorty. It's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. Okay. Stop. Because I feel like getting her ready, doing all that. It's annoying. I know. Let me see. You like your chair? What you watching? Let me see. Oh, okay. Nice.
Where? Take a picture.
I was so proud of myself because it was graduation day and I actually accomplished this. So congratulations to me. I did that, guys. With all the barriers, I still succeeded. That was my Valentine's Day gift. Goodness, have y'all ever went to the store? Ooh. Look at this. This is Snickerdoodle. And if you look really carefully, I got one chocolate chip. So this is $25 for the bucket, in case you're interested. This is a small. Yeah, I know. Whatever. It's love at first bite. Read it and weep. I had to basically go to the mall and get me some Snickerdoodles. My friend told me they taste so good, but listen, don't get it twisted. I don't know what they taste like, okay? I do not recommend it. I don't care. Don't go. Don't waste your time. But if you want the other version that people like, you know they like when you lie. Oh my God, they are so delicious. Amazing. I mean, mouth watering. Just looking at it right now, I want to run to the mall and spend $25 again. Did you hear what I said? $25? Okay, yeah. I must have lost my mind. Anyway, for that bucket, you know that bucket costs 99 cents. Okay? Please. But anyway, look at her putting it all in there in the plastic, making it look all, okay, girl. Thanks. I'm just an idiot. Anyway, but it tastes so good. Like I said, go get you one. Google it. Go find one. The nearest mall. Run. Don't walk. But anyway, I want to get some new grills. Look at this. I'm going to do... So basically, I'm doing a voiceover because they playing music and I don't want to get copywritten. So I'm about to say hi to the lady. I want to find out. I'm good. How are you? The grills I saw... Oh, they're over here. Hold on. Come on. Just follow me. I hope y'all enjoyed that walk with me, but this is what I love to do when she's in school. I basically come and walk around the gazebo, clear my mind, have a little self-care. Everybody needs your mental health is important. So anybody struggling with mental health issues, you depressed, go outside, get some vitamin D. Do not stay in the house and go crazy, overthinking and thinking about crazy stuff. Listen to those I don't know what to call them, bad voices. We're going to say that. But other than that, I do this daily because you always need some self-reflection and self-care time, Even if you're not a mom or a dad, just do it. Take some time off for yourself. Smell the roses, do what you need to do. So I'm picking up my baby girl and she's telling me all her dramatic scenes from school. Y'all already know how it go. She got to tell me everything, snitch on everybody. But I tell her snitches get stitches, honey. So we walking down the street and we heard the song playing. And y'all already know. We had to get down. Okay. Let me show you. So 3, 2, 1. Get it. Dun, 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 dun. Shake it. Oh. You can dance with me if you want. I ain't gonna judge you. Okay. Y'all see the moves? Y'all know. Okay, I got it. Yeah. She about to do the hammer time. Look, watch. She does this dance. Oh my goodness, look at her. Oh yeah, in, out. If y'all look to the right, the lady came outside her house to see what we was doing and dancing in front. Hammer time. Hey guys. So we just got home from school. And she had a great day. Did you have a good day? So we about to do some homework, and we hope you are enjoying the video. Okay, I'm gonna go on live Friday. So I just thought about it. I'm gonna do my first live Friday. Are y'all excited? Oh my goodness. So y'all can actually say hi to me. All right, guys. Back to the video. Can somebody tell me if I'm the only one that doesn't have control of my own bed? Like, what's going on? But anyway, guys, this is my life. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.